In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the store name and the URL of your Shopify store. So to do this, head over to your Shopify dashboard and then click on Settings from this left-hand side. Then underneath Store Details, you need to come down to this Edit button, and from here, you'll be able to change your store name. Now this is what appears publicly on your website. So I'm just going to call mine Your Fix Guide, and then we can click Save. So now that we've changed our store name, I'm going to also show you how to change the URL. So to do that, you need to click on Domains from this left-hand side. And down here at the bottom, you can see our current domain, which is these random letters followed by .myshopify.com. So in order to change this, click on the Change to a New Shopify.com domain. And from here, you can enter your custom URL. So I'm going to call mine yourfixguide.myshopify.com and select Add Domain. Now do bear in mind that you can only change this once. So when you do click this, you won't be able to change it again for free. So once you're happy, just click Confirm. And as you can see, we've now changed the domain name for our store. If you want to create a custom domain name like yourfixguide.com, then you can do that by purchasing a new domain name. And then you'll need to go ahead and connect it to your Shopify store, or you can just continue using the free Shopify domain. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.